So Mark was training for a marathon. Each week he jogged the distance of 10% more than the previous week. He jogged 36.3 kilometers in week 3. So part A asks, what distance did he jog in week 1? So if this is the distance he jogged in week 1, he would have increased by 10% into week 2, and then increase another 10% into week 3. And in week 3, the distance traveled was 36.3 kilometers. So to find the distance traveled in week 2, we know that 36.3 is 110% of week 2's distance. So we will first find 11% by dividing by, we'll find 10% by dividing by 11. So 36.3 dividing by 11 will give us 3.3 kilometers. Next, we can find 100% by multiplying by 10. So that gives us 33 kilometers for week 2. Now if we do the same thing, if 33 kilometers was increased by 10% from the week 1, so 33 kilometers will be 110% of week 1's distance. So we can find 10% by dividing by 11. 33 dividing by 11 will be 3 km. So to find 100%, there will be 3 multiplying by 10, giving us 30 km for week 1. So the distance he jogged for week 1 will be 30 kilometers. Now part B is asking what was the total distance Mark jogged in 3 weeks. So that will be a total of the distance travelled in week 1 plus the distance travelled in week 2, 33, plus the distance travelled in week 3, alright, which is 36.3 kilometers, giving us our answer of 99.3 kilometers for part B.